This is the 15th lecture and we are going to see Visual Studio IDE, that is Integrated Development Environment, which we are used to design and develop a project. This is the basic layout of Visual Studio IDE. The different components that are displayed in Visual Studio IDE are title bar, menu bar, standard toolbar, toolbox, graphical designer, output window, solution explorer and property window. We will see in detail all these components in next section. First is title bar. The system icon is used to identify the application that you are using is displayed on title bar. That is, it defines the icon that which language you are used for defining a project. The system icon holds its own list of actions. That is, it can be used to move, minimize, maximize or close a window. Next is menu bar, which consists of commands that are used for constructing a software code. These commands are listed as menus and submenus. A menu is located on the menu bar and contains a list of related commands. Basically, menu bar is used to define a new project, open an existing project, save a project, and different actions that are related to your project are placed on menu bar. Next is toolbar. Toolbar is an object made up of buttons. These buttons provide the same features you would get from the main menu, but only faster. By default, the standard toolbar is positioned under the main menu, but you can position it anywhere else on the IDE. That is, toolbar is a shortcut for your main menu. Next is toolbox. It provides objects called Windows controls or only controls. Because there are so many items available, toolbox is organized them by categories and each category is represented with buttons. To display a category, you can click its button and then available items in each category appears as a button. That is, toolbox displays all the controls that are used for designing a form like text box, labels, buttons, etc. Next is graphical designer or code editor window. There are several different types of graphical designers, including Windows Form Designer, Web Form Designer, Component Designer, and XML Designer. Code editor window allows you to write methods, class code, and events. That is, graphical designer is used to design a form, and code editor window is used to write a code for your designed form. Next is output window. It gives you the result of building and running programs. That is, it shows the values of all locally declared variables or expressions while debugging the program. Next is Solution Explorer. The Solution Explorer is a window that displays the physical items used in your project. It lists all the files associated with a project. Solution Explorer has options to view code, form design, refresh listed files, etc. Project files are displayed in a drop-down tree-like structure widely used in a window-based GUI application. Next is Property window. It lists the properties of an selected object. Every object has its own properties that can be used to change the look and even functionality of the object. Property window lists the properties of the forms and controls in an alphabetical order. User also has options to view these properties based on the category they belong to. That is, if user selected a text box, property window displays all the properties related to the text box. For example, forecolor, back color, font, etc.